Hey everyone, it's Fiona again, and I'm back with another op shop haul today. I think this is only my second one that I've done on my channel, but I'm really excited by the things that I got today. And I know small things amuse small minds, hey, but all of us junk journalists, we're just so excited by the bits and pieces that we get from op shops, so that we can use them in our journals. And I found this new little op shop today, or I think in the UK you call it a charity shop. In the US, I'm not sure, you might call it something similar. Basically a second-hand shop. And I found this new one today that I didn't even know was there, and it was just a little tiny op shop sort of tucked out of the way, and I was really glad that I found it because it had the best books that I couldn't find anywhere else. I was looking for you know, kind of nature themed, gardening, floral sort of books, and I found a few, as well as some other books. And in this particular shop, you could pick up a whole shopping bag full of books for just $10. And the whole lot of everything I'm going to show you today only cost me $20. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so starting with a few books. I found this one here. It's called the Friends and Family Organizer. But it's just got the most beautiful photographs. I couldn't sort of go past it. I mean, look at all these little cottagey photographs here that I can cut out. They're mostly, yeah, just beautiful cottages and cottage gardens all through the book. It's an organizer, but the images are just so nice. So that one, I couldn't go past that one. And then I found this Family Guide to Nature. It's a Reader's Digest. It's quite big. I probably can't fit it all in the camera. Family Guide to Nature. And so inside it's got all sorts of botanica and nature images. Botanical, birds, animals, insects, all those kinds of things that I was looking for. So I really love that one. That page is upside down. Oh no, it must be a different section of the book that's upside down. Oh, I see. There's two sections. So yeah, there was that one, which is going to be really useful as well. A little tiny astronomy book. I've been wanting to do an astronomy journal, and so I'm just trying to collect a few things. Yeah, and as well as I have my astrologist, what is it? The Ancient Astrologer's Digital Kit as a printable, but hopefully I'm going to do a few more. So that little book's really handy for that. Found this big book, Pocket Book of Roses. It's got over 2,000 roses in here. Like every single page has got a picture, all different roses. So I think I'll be using that one for a long time to come. This one was an Encyclopedia of Herbs. I'd also like to do a herbal themed journal. In the back it's just got some recipes using herbs, but then as you go through to the front, it's got some really nice images of herbs and how you can use them. So I thought that one was really good. Then I've got Everything I Learned in My Garden by Emily Barnes, and this one also has got the most beautiful images inside. paintings and floral images. So I grabbed that one. This one, flowering shrubs. It's got some nice photographs in here. I think it's all Australian. No, I'm not sure, to be honest. It might not be. But lots of pictures of different shrubs here and some illustrations in the back. And what's this one? Oh, this is a French and English dictionary. If I can, I always pick up old dictionaries. They're just so handy. And you know, if you're looking for a particular word, you can just cut it out and make a little card or a little something to stick in your journal if it's related. And this one too, I might even use the cover because it's quite a nice old cover there. I've got another nice old cover here. It's Commercial Mathematics. And it would just be an interesting addition to a journal. I really love numbers. I don't know, I've just got a thing about numbers. So I would love to make some journal cards out of these with all the different equations and tables and things like that. So that's why I got that one. And yeah, there's another one here. This is a little algebra book. The cover's quite good in that one. Oh, something in the front here. Oh, I didn't notice that. Look at that. Commercial Maths Algebra, Simple Equations. Oh, so that's an interesting piece of ephemera there. And yeah, it's just all algebra equations. That's that. Then I also found some bits of fabric in the same shop. I found this really old embroidered doily, linen doily, which is beautiful. And then I had this bag of just assorted fabrics, and I was looking for some cheesecloth because I just haven't been able to find any. And this is kind of a, I don't know if it is actual cheesecloth, but I think it is. It's very, very similar. So I thought, well, I can use that. And then there's a few other odds and ends of like sheer white fabrics in there. Sort of a netting one here. And what's this? Just some more offcuts of fabric there. That was that bag. I'll put it back together later. And then I came across this bundle of, oh, it's not going to fit in the camera, but it is a bundle of all sorts of papers. Most of them are cardstock, I think. This may even be watercolour, this one here. And then I think that's some sort of drawing paper. And then there's one in here that I was interested in. I'll just pull it out. I'm making a huge mess on the floor here. But it is butcher paper sheets, and I've never ever seen them. Never seen them anywhere. think you can buy them online. But if I'm right, it's fairly thin paper. Yeah, it's like a fairly thin paper. So they will come in really handy for tea dyeing and so forth. And what else have I got? I've got another stack of books from the other op shop that I went to. And these are all to do with gardening as well. So you've got hanging baskets and trailing plants. Got fuchsias. Indoor ferns. Herbs. House plants. And more indoor ferns. It might be the same one. Climbers and creepers. And they all came in a little bundle. And last but not least, I grabbed a couple of old scarves. And I'm not sure what, kind of silk these scarves are made out of. And they're probably not even real silk. I mean, I don't know. But I don't have any sari silk. And if you don't have any, a good way is to buy these silky sort of scarves. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. I'm basically going to cut them into strips. So let me see if I can get a good edge here. Not the best scissors for fabric, but if it will tear this way, yeah, just tearing it. And this is what I would do with it. I would just tear it into strips like this and use it to, bind or tie up my journals, or use it in for the top of tags, which I'll just show you because I'm sort of making some journals at the moment, and I wanted to top them with something like this. So just basically put them through and then pull it through like this, and there you've got, if you don't have your sari silk, you've got a nice silky finish to your journal tags. There's another way you can tie them somehow. You can create a little bow. I'm not sure if I can figure it out though. I think I might put it through there and then just make a little bow to sit on the top there. Just like that for something different. I think that looks really sweet as well. And then what you can do is get a bulb pin or a safety pin and hang some little beads or charms off of that. That's what I'll be doing to mine. So anyway, that's just an idea. Whoop, Smokey's come to say hello. That's just an idea with if you find some old scarves, if you don't have any sari silk, just rip them into strips. Okay, well, excuse me, Smokey. I finished my video anyway for today. Excuse my cat. But yeah, that was my op shop haul for today, and I hope that you are inspired by that. and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.